Hvorfor vil ikke? Øh, det, 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 det. Hvorfor virker det ikke nu? Sådan der. Good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. We are waiting for the 15-minute orb to break out. So we're gonna mark the high and the low already now because I can see the candlestick is very choppy. Hello, hello. We're gonna drop to the 5 minute time frame, waiting for a breakout. This candlestick is not done yet. We need it to close on 15 minutes. So let's make money. We're gonna wait 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ibowski, do you know this guy? Dangerous guy. Ibowski. Yeah, yeah. Feel free to ask any questions, ladies and gentlemen. So we are 6 minutes from a break, or a range being finished, so we can mark the high and the low. Now we only mark the low because I know that the price likely won't return to this area. Still waiting. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. Yes, yes, yes. When is when is coming? And starting trading. Yes, very 5 minutes. Yeah, yeah. What we are waiting for right now is this candlestick, the green one, to fully close. When it closes, we're gonna drop down to the 5 minute time frame, and then we're gonna watch what happens. And remember, we have resistance above. So let's say that we break out above, we're gonna take our profit around these areas, these highs on the 4 hour chart. That's the areas I can find where I need to exit. If the price gets a strong bullish trend, we can actually hold it up to this bullish, bearish daily breaker. It gives a lot of points, nearly 1,000 points. So yeah, so yeah. The signal in the comments, Abi. Okay, are you Turkish people? Are you Turkish man? You Turkish man? I will put the signal into the comments. I will do that for you. Ibo 0232. Ibo. Are you from Albertslund? Ibo? Are you from Albertslund? Yeah, yeah. 3 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen. 3 minuten. So let's see. Yes, very 5 minutes. Can you text the signal in the comments? Yes, I can do that. Yes, Kurdistan. Are you from Kurdistan? I'm from Kurdistan. Okay, nice. Just like me. Also from Kurdistan. So you're Kurdish, Abi. Very, very nice. Good. 2 minutes left. 2 Minuten. Duhok. Oof, you are from Duhok. Wow, nice. Nice. Abi, nice. So this is a 15-minute indecision candlestick. So this doesn't show us anything. It doesn't show us whether it wants to break out above or below. So this is nothing but patience. Wait out. We have 1 minute left on the candlestick. 1 minute left. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna drop down to the 5 minutes and wait for a breakout. A breakout, breakout above Debowski. Yeah, Debowski. 20 seconds left. Okay, we got a breakout. So let's see if this momentum is gonna hold. Because if it's gonna hold, we're gonna wait for the retest. It might even get smacked from here and go below. That's why we don't enter a trade yet. We need a confirmation. This is not good. Imagine if you already hopped into trade, you would be in minus, a big minus, because the stop loss itself is nearly 200 pips, 200 points. That means that if I'm gonna enter the trade and risk 1,000, I need to go in with lot size 5, no more than that. We can also look at Nasdaq and see what it's done. Nasdaq is the 1530. Damn, the stop loss is really, really big. Usually it's Dow Jones that has the biggest stop loss, but not today. They uh, they both have a big stop loss. Nothing to do but to wait. So as we just witnessed, the price came up here and just got totally demolished and smashed down here again. So that means this area is quite uh, interesting. So if we look to the left, we can actually see a 5 minute FVG. And if you go for the 30-minute time frame, we can actually also see a 5 minute FVG, 30-minute FVG, a 1 hour FVG. So that was actually a really good area to maybe get into a sell because as you can look at today's trend, we are actually bearish. It's a bearish day. And for every fair value gap that it touched, a fair value gap that was actually bearish, it actually just went down. Oof, except for this one. I can see this one hasn't been respected. This one didn't get respected. But if you look overall in the picture, you can see the price started up off here, got down, up, down, smashed down, got up, took some liquidity, and the FVG dropped down. Did respect this area because this area is much greater. That means the price would likely return to this area instead of this because this area has been swept. So the price came up, filled the FVG, and fell down. And now, as you can witness and see, the price have nearly fallen 200 points since it touched the FVG. So that was actually a really good area to. I just didn't see it before now. I had a, I had a busy day, really busy. I am starting a project called Finger SmackDown WWE. That was a really good sell. I mean, damn, I didn't even see it. And you can also see these wicks. All these 15-minute candlestick, they all have wicks, which means that there is an expectation for the price to fall down from here. Nothing yet here. Yeah, we're going down. But we're still gonna wait. No confirmation yet. Let's see. We wait. We wait. You could make a sell here, but it will. It's too late, I would say. The reaction has already been done. We're gonna wait. Wait and see. Now, what we could do is see how it reacts on this line here. This line that I just drew. This is nearly 50% into the orb. This one is 50%, like this. So let's say, see how it reacts. Damn, that was a really good sell. If anybody caught it, congratulations. I didn't. I'm still waiting patiently for the breakout. And the reason why the reaction was so strong is because you have a lot of FVGs on different time frames. You had one on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Those combined gives you a really strong area. Let's see how it reacts. Hmm. Got rejected down here, but for what? If you look at the 2 minute time frame, you can actually see this area right now is being respected. So what you could do now, the reason I am speaking English is because I need to practice my English. That's why Debowski. If you don't like it, go back to the hook. Go back to the hook. So you can see again some reaction here. Reaction. That's not good. That's why we wait. Always patiently wait. Okay, we have some reaction here. We have some reaction. Let's see how the 5 minute closes. So you could just see what I told you. It respected the area that I draw right here on the 2 minute time frame. I also want it to be on the 5 minute time frame. The same reaction. So it closed below. The area hasn't been tested on the 5 minute time frame yet. It has on the 2 minute and on the 1 minute, as you can see here. Now for this trade to continue to the downside, we really need a solid breakout, and then a good retest. I'm gonna show it everything. Show you everything. Come on, break to the downside. Break out, motherfucker. Break out. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, keep pushing. Keep pushing. So, like I told you, you could have made a sale actually right here in the middle of the orb range. And you could have made a sale up here. I'm still not in any trades, so I am still waiting for the breakout, which is appearing to happen in a moment. We should be having a breakout really soon. Oh, there is some reaction because it made a order block right here. Let's wait and see. Still waiting. Still waiting. No confirmation yet. So the order block here showed some resistance. The resistance have been shown now. We need to break through it. Now, I don't like these wicks on the 5 minute charge right here and here. It's gonna come. Patience, patience, patience. Now it created a 5 minute order block above. Nothing happening yet, guys. Patience, 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 patience. A new 5 minute candlestick just opened. We haven't made a bottom wick. Price will likely reverse now. So we might get our breakout soon. Mm. So still no breakout. Waiting, waiting. Maybe we will get some reaction now, just like I told you, because especially on the bigger time frames, when a candlestick opens without a bottom wick or top wick, likely it will do it. So let's say it made a top wick, likely it will go make a bottom wick. What happens after, we don't know. We must wait and see how it closes. We want it to close with a break, a solid width. So I want at least the breakout to be this big or here. Let's see what happens. 2 minutes. A lot of wicks. One, two, three, four, five, four. We might get our breakout now. Come on. Like I told you, the top wick was made. Now the bottom wick has been made, but we need continuation. We need uh, a really momentum candlestick. What I would like to this scenario to happen is because we had a fake breakout above. This might be the true breakout. Now we are breaking out, ladies and gentlemen. So what we need to do is now patiently wait for a retest of the candlestick. But like I told you, I want a momentum candlestick. I want it to close very big outside the range. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Don't be a fake breakout. Just close outside. I can't find any areas we will need to exit a trade. Maybe down here below, I found a 4 hour FEG, which is an area of interest. On the daily, I can't find anything besides this area that has rejected Dow Jones a lot of times. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, a breakout. Got a breakout. 20 seconds left for retest. Good. Now we closed out. We don't have any retest yet. Let's see what happens. Still waiting for the retest. Still waiting for an legitimate retest. 3 minutes left on this candlestick. Let's see if we can get our retest. 2 minutes left. Ooh, I want to see this candlestick get smacked. I want it to go down. Get a wick. Get a wick. Get down. Get down, boy. Okay, good sign. 2 minutes left. I would say wait for the candlestick to close. Somebody is jumping in already now. You decide that what you want to do. But I'm still holding and waiting. I want this candlestick to close. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is likely a retest. 50 seconds left. 47 seconds left. Likely a retest. Still not confirmed. Come on, get down, and I will tell you to jump in. Close below. Okay. Solid retest. I'm jumping in a sell. I'm going in a sell. Just don't like that retest. But it retested. So I'm in a sell. If we could get the 15-minute candlestick to close outside, that would also be good. But this is not good. I don't know why it's seeking inside the orb again. It has nothing to do there, so I don't understand this. Um, so let's get outside this range again. We are closing outside again, maybe. Come on, what is happening here? Close outside. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, come on. So what we need to have now is this area to be broken. This we needed to not close inside, but break. Will it break this area? In a cell. We have another Kurdish man in here. Yeah, we in a cell. Cell. We are plus. How much plus? Let's see. I am plus $500 now. Plus. Plus. Come on, plus. We need some reaction. Disaster of the master. The 5 minute got rejected from here. Not good. We needed to close outside the zone again. Again and again and again. This is a retest. Both of them retested. Now we need to break below these two lows. It's really important that it break the lows right now. Break the lows is so important. I mean, I can close the trade right now at 1400 plus, but I'm still not doing it. Hit those lows. Hit those lows. Hit those lows. Come on, we at the lowest point right now. Break it. Fucking break it. Ibowski, are you in a cell? We need to break this area. Really, really, really important. Key level. We might catch a big movement down to the downside. I don't like this. Come on, close below, below, below. Close it. Come on. I'm considering closing one of my positions. Still holding. Still fucking holding. So important that we close below. So important. We didn't close below. This one should do it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna hop out of the trade. We want this one to close below. And that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. So nothing else to do but to wait. We have answered the trade. We've done our things. So wait up. I'm gonna quick take a second break. Cigarette those. I'm back. I don't like what it's doing. I don't like this. I'm still holding my positions. Okay, we're seeing some action from this 2 minute bearish breaker, and it didn't make any bottom wick yet, so I want it outside the op range again. I like this reaction. Could we get out of the orb again? A new 5 minute candlestick is gonna be opening in 1 minute. Could this one take us out of the orb range again? There is a 2 minute FVG here, nothing here. We have a double top. However, if this 5 minute candlestick doesn't close outside, I'm gonna close my trades. It nearly closed outside, so let's see what this one is gonna do, how it's gonna react first. Is it going up? We're closing. It looks like it wants to go up again. Chin, we need a good solid red candlestick now.
We are seeing some reaction, but yeah, I really want a solid red candlestick to close below this area. And if we don't do it soon, I might jump out. Might be closing my positions really soon because what it's doing right now is I don't like it. Especially if you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can look at these wicks. It didn't close below the area with a 15-minute candlestick, not one time. So I'm gonna see if I can jump out with some profits or if I need to close in some minus or break even. We're seeing some nasty reaction. Still in the position. I mean, the dream scenario would be that it break this key level because we're gonna get a long ride down if it does. A new 5-minute candlestick just opened. Okay, if we close, break this area is so important. So that's the momentum right now. We might get a reversal from here, but if we do any sign of a reversal, I'm gonna jump out. So I really want to see this area getting completely broken. If we are lucky, we can get to see it with this candlestick. There is a gap it wants to take out here. Okay, go below it. Okay, still, we haven't not broken that area yet. Maybe we do it now. This is the second time, the third time actually, on the 2 minute time frame we are in this area. And if and you can see on the 5 minute chart how many times we've been there. We're gonna break below maybe. So this area is needs to be like this. That's the area we need to break. So we didn't close. It got rejected. Actually, not a good rejection. So I'm actually considering right now closing my trades. So what is happening now? The price is returning to the area. Let's see what happens this time. We really can push through this area, so I am considering closing everything soon. So, can we break this area this time? If we do not, I'm gonna close. I simply do not want to do that, so I actually am considering um, closing. I'm gonna close one position in a few seconds. Let's just see what happens now. Look at the resistance at this area, man. Hey, Bauske. Ja, prøv at sende mig en screenshot af det. Ja. I bunden så står der maximum violated. Okay, prøv at sende mig en screenshot, så vi lige er sikre. Jamen, prøv at sende mig den. Send mig lige billedet. Derovre. Ja. I'm back. So what is happening here? Nothing, man. Okay. So if this 5 minute candlestick closes inside the orb, I'm gonna close everything. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna continue to hold on and make some trailing stop loss. That means the stop loss will follow the price. So this is our last chance, our last hope of breaking this area. And if we don't, I'm gonna pull out. Still holding, still holding. Okay, our last chance to break this area. Some hefty price action right at that area, so I don't like it. Really don't. But I'm still gonna drop out with profits, so I'm holding. Hmm. Come on, break the area. Break the area. Come on, break this area for me. I'm getting ready to close some positions. Still no closing below this level. Okay, okay, we have some action here now. I actually closed my position because I didn't like this price action that it just made. So I am done for today. Thank you all and see you tomorrow.